Antika. Let's start with the presentation, guys. So, although we've seen this presentation before, it's not that we've not, but Colgate जैसे brand को भी हर बार आपको याद दिलाने के लिए ads repeat करने पड़ते हैं, तो there is no harm that we do it. ठीक है. I think this is one of the best presentations that we've done for the resort. Name of the property, Riverwinds. We've been around for almost more than 15, 16 years now. So why we? We very much believe in the concept of Atithi Devo Bhava, and we, with our hearts, welcome all our guests who come into the property. We've never judged any of the guests by their status or anything. Everybody is the same for us. Let's take you through a journey specially crafted for you. So we start with weddings, something as small as e-invites. You need the logos done, which can be used all across. We can do it for you. We can help you with the pre-wedding hype. So we've tied up with a couple of people who do this now. Considering the corona pandemic, nowadays people don't want to go out with physical invitations. However, if you still need that, we have options in mind. And not limited only to Ulhasnagar, we have people from Bombay who can assist as well. As I said, COVID times, nothing better than going for digital invites. So this is one of the best options today. Time भी बचता है, पैसा भी बचता है, gift भी बचता है. Welcome to Riverwinds. I think one of the very few places around where you can say you can have 40 rooms with a river view, 2.5 acres of land parcel, ample parking space. I think this is one of the only properties around. When we do a 2-day wedding, we do some installations at the property which can be used on for 2 days. So hashtags is a very common thing. In-room amenities for your guests who come and stay, we arrange that as well, depending on the client budget. First is the pool party. Again, one of the very few properties where you have a pool and you can actually do a proper pool party. So from the welcome of your guests with floral garlands to the couple entry, you can use color bombs during the day, which is a very good effect. In fact, I'll share some videos today where clients have actually forwarded कि सर देखो कितना अच्छा video आया है. Feels good, you know, we are a part of their memories. Hashtags like Gina Wedding, photo booths as per the client requirement. Again, we do these colorful tents by the pool side. It gives a very good look, theme-wise. When you're doing aerial shots. Balloon decors in the pool party, hangings like that to cover the pool. So we also do drapes now. पूरा कपड़े से pool cover करता है. It looks beautiful. And no pool party is complete without a DJ. So this adds on to the entire charm of it. So first day evening, usually it's a Sangeet event. That's how it's planned. Marwadis, especially, they plan a good 2.5-3 hours. So हम आपके यहाँ कौन में देखते हैं वो actually होता है. You have a proper singing, dancing. Everybody in the family will dance. Some of them will also sing. We do a lot of customizations also. So a lot of people, when they have the budget, we do a lot of real flower work for them. ये आजकल थोड़ा कम हो गया है, but there are people who love to do real flower work at their wedding, and they are ready to spend. So we definitely arrange. These signages now again have become a part of our setup, where every event we design a specific signage for the client. So अगर pool party है उसका अलग, संगीत अलग, विधि अलग, reception अलग, and with concepts. These are some mehndi setups, so that these are done by the pool side. Again, depending on the client requirement or the budget, we can customize these. Completely floral setups. This is one of the smaller setups. अगर client does not have a budget, economical करना है, these are options available as well. Entry for the bride and groom. Choreographers के साथ भी tie up है. अगर आपको choreographers चाहिए, you want something to be done there, that's also available. Performances, as I said, no Marwadi wedding, or in fact today nowadays even a Sindhi wedding is complete without these dance performances. मतलब एक 4-5 surprise performances तो आ ही जाते हैं. And then again I said, last में with the DJ, we finish off the event. Good part is we have in-house catering, so we can cater to a lot of requirements of our client. But no, this thing hard and fast कि आपको resort का ही catering करना है. This is again day 2 where the wedding happens. So for the barat, we arrange for doles. Not only Punjabi dole, you can even do a Nasik dole, Puneri dole. There are a lot of options available. Again, as far as the client has the budget, we can arrange it, not an issue at all. That's the entry at the resort. So again, concept nowadays it's mostly floral. Bombay side अगर हम जाते हैं, I went to Ambani's wedding and the entire street was decked up with flowers, artificial. Real hardly कुछ दिख रहा था उसमें, because he wanted to keep it for 3 days. So he said, why not do it here also? So we actually picked some pieces from what they had done there and we replicated it at the resort also. Okay, so we look for new concepts, what's up and happening in Bombay, so we can try get something similar here. Dulhan की entry, it's become one of the most important part of the wedding. ठीक है, दूल्हा तो है but दुल्हन की entry पे भी काफी जोर दिया जाता है. So people if they are comfortable sitting on a घोड़ी, ठीक है, हम घोड़ी भी arrange कर देते हैं उनके लिए. ठीक है, you get a buggy option. जितना ऐसे जितना शक्कर डालो चाय उतनी मीठी होती है वो हिसाब है. विधि अगेन लॉट ऑफ गुड ऑप्शंस हैव कम अप. पहले विधि मंडप पे 4 पिल्लों पे कपड़ा लगा के 4 बुके लगा देते थे, बट नाउ वी डू सेट्स लाइक दिस वेयर यू नो इट द ग्रैंडनेस गोज ऑन. और ये स्विमिंग पूल के बीच में भी बन सकता है. If people are ready to spend, same concept goes on the pool also. I can share some pictures again in the group later. This is again in the evening. So we created an entire theatre concept around the Vidhi Mandap. Floral, rangoli, again this as I said, real flower work जितना करना है, sky is the limit. We do these colorful matkas with floral flowing out. Maximum I paid a florist at the resort for flower work, only for flower work, is 4.5 lakhs. Just for one event. Again, chandeliers adds on to the look. So we try getting these elements, थोड़ा Indian touch देने के लिए. And wedding is mostly traditional. तो वो feel देने के लिए we try getting such elements into picture. Last but not the least, the reception where the entire gala event happens. So the idea of coming to the resort is you get everything at one spot. You're not running around too many places. Grand entrance. So again, focus is when you park your car and you walk in, that feel starts from the entry gate. ठीक है, you walk inside, एक proper एक लगता है ऐसा नहीं कि सब जगह हैलोजन लगा दिए और brightness है. So we keep darkness, कहीं brightness रहता है, तो उसका एक feel आता है. When you walk through that passage also, you feel कि हाँ यार कुछ है अंदर. You look forward to coming inside the resort also. This becomes like mostly a photo booth for a lot of people who walk in. मतलब मेरे को wedding के next day आधे जनों के profile पे ये photos दिखते ही हैं यार. Which feels good. People spend 5 minutes there taking pictures. हमको लगता है हाँ भैया कुछ किया है हमने. गणपति बापा के बगैर कोई इवेंट स्टार्ट नहीं होता. सो वी मेक श्योर दैट बापा हैज अ स्पेशल प्लेस. दैट्स द स्टेज. अगेन फ्लोरल कॉन्सेप्ट काफी इन था व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड डूइंग दिस. आर्स वाज द ओनली प्रॉपर्टी ऑन दैट रोड दैट वाज डूइंग अ कॉन्सेप्ट लाइक दिस. हर कोई नहीं तो पैलेस ही बनाते जा रहा था अलग अलग तरीके के. वी टुक दैट रिस्क ऑफ यू नो डूइंग समथिंग डिफरेंट एंड इट पेड ऑफ. बॉम्बे से भी गेस्ट आके मुझे बोलते थे सर ये सेटअप आप अंधेरी में दे सकते हैं क्या. ठीक है, so it feels good, you know, people coming from Bombay appreciate it, people coming from Dubai appreciate it, कि सर आप इतना अच्छा सेटअप यहाँ बना रहे हैं, हमने उल्लासनगर में इतना अच्छा कुछ हो सकता है एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. So we somewhere change the perception कि हम उल्लासनगर में भी इतना अच्छा तामझाम कर सकते हैं. Beautiful start of the journey, lot of things planned, entries for the bride and groom. These are our partners, DMITS Events and Mingle Events. They have been part of the journey since last, I think this is the 4th year in a row. And good part is, to be very honest, a lot of guests come up with different requirements. Satish bhai would agree that, you know, no guest is the same. Every guest comes with a different set of expectations and every guest tells me, sir, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा करना है. ठीक है, I listen to them कि उनके हिसाब से उनका अच्छा क्या है. ठीक है. Second thing is the budget. Because see, whatever we want to do, आज मैं चाहूँगा मैं हर गेस्ट के लिए ताजमहल बनाऊँ, but if they do not have the budget, we then limit things to that. So we understand कि पहली बात तो उनके हिसाब से अच्छा क्या है, what do they like. We show them multiple pictures that we have with us. ठीक है. So when they react, हाँ ये अच्छा लग रहा है, I understand कि this is his liking. And when they come back to me, sir ये ऐसा कर सकते हैं क्या? Trust me, every bride and a groom today have pictures on from Instagram or Facebook or some place कि मेरे को मेरी शादी में ऐसा करके चाहिए. ठीक है. They will definitely come up with something. And trust me, a lot of setups that we've done recently are actually inspired by what guest has given us कि सर मेरे को ऐसा करके चाहिए. Be it very small thing like a haldi setup that we started doing now by the bamboo house area. The look and the feel feels different. I mean, we've redone the bamboo house a little. I'm not sure अगर आप में से कोई अभी recently आए हैं. हमने वो जो बाहर गार्डन होता था उसको पूरा टाइल कर दिया. So that area is getting used now for all these haldi, mehndi, smaller vidhi setups जहाँ लोग कम हैं. अगर 100 से अंदर है तो हम vidhi mandap भी bamboo house में ही देते हैं. The feel of having a vidhi mandap there with a river backdrop is ultimate. Or for that matter, even a mehndi event with a river backdrop is amazing. I mean, people have given very good reviews. I've updated it quite a few times on my status also with the pictures. So people tell me, sir, ये कहाँ है? Because they've not really seen setups happening there at the resort, and that's the USP is the river. Okay, so we are glad we are able to use that area also now. So resort पे there are multiple venues now. So we have the lawns in the front. There's a poolside. There's bamboo house. There's a restaurant shade area. There's a lawn at the back. So we can do at least minimum 3 events at one go, and an AC restaurant as well. So AC restaurant normally we don't give for events. We try to get people to sit there for meals. It's okay, but we don't do a vidhi mandap inside. Idea being behind that, we don't want to use that venue for an event. हाँ, ठीक है, lunch के लिए बैठना चाहते हैं, dinner के लिए बैठना है. Because we get a la carte also a lot of times. We don't want to lose that guest, and that's the reason we actually extended our AC restaurant. Okay, so we try as much as possible के wedding के बीच में अगर a la carte आता है and we comfortably can serve him, तो हम guest को लेते हैं. There are times we have to tell guests के सर नहीं हो पाएगा. But then there are always pros and cons. In fact, day before yesterday मुझे रात को 9:45 बजे एक कॉल आता है, सर एक 50 जन का डिनर अरेंज करना है. आज हम सर कब करना है 50 जन का? ठीक अभी बस निकलेंगे. ऐसे अभी तो बोला हाँ सर अभी निकलना है. अगर आप हाँ बोलेंगे तो हम लोग कहीं खड़े हैं, we'll come to your resort. So I called up the resort and I asked them, sir 50 जन का अरेंजमेंट है, अभी okay? मतलब staffing part of kitchen we have stock of 100 people mostly any given point of time. तो they said नहीं सर आप भेजो guest, we'll get it done. Luckily vegetarian guests थे सारे, तो not an issue. Everybody came. They reached. उन्होंने मैंने मेन्यू बोला आप अपने हिसाब से ऑर्डर दे दो. They told me सर एक काम करते हैं ना, फिक्स पर पर्सन बता दीजिए कितना करना है. फिक्स पर पर्सन वेज मिनिमम आज अगर 50 जन का ग्रुप है 800 मिनिमम जाता है. I recommended them sir don't go for a fixed menu. Let's go for a la carte. That works out better. तो बोले कितना जाएगा? मैं बोला सर approximately 600 पकड़ के चलिए, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं जाना चाहिए. You'll save a la carte में overall. And I know आपका फैमिली को मैं काफ़ी टाइम से जानता हूँ, तो सब लिमिट में खाने वाले लोग हैं. a la carte ज़्यादा बेटर पड़ेगा आपके लिए. Trust me, exactly that's what happened. Per person share कुछ 611 रुपये आया, ठीक है. And the guy was very happy. They left it around 1:30 in the night. Message me the next day. In fact कल मैसेज आया था उनका कि सर फूड सब अच्छा था, सर्विस अच्छा था. He's like, can I come and pay the bill today? I said सर मैं रिसोर्ट पे नहीं हूँ, I was out. राजेश जैन के साथ था, तो अब डायरेक्ट वहाँ पे कर दीजिए, निकी भाई को बोल दीजिए कलेक्ट ऑन द वे. He's like नहीं 5 मिनट आपसे मिलना है. बोला क्यों क्या हुआ? बोलते नहीं वेडिंग का भी डेट फाइनल हो गया. बेसिकली वो डिनर था उनकी, कहीं हाँ हुई थी, जहाँ हाँ हुई थी उन्होंने बोला अभी पार्टी करते हैं, लेट्स नॉट वेट फॉर रोको और समथिंग. तो वो कल रोका हुआ रिसोर्ट पे हुआ. एंड देन ही सेड सर बैठना है, बात करना है आपसे. चल ठीक है, इट्स ऑलवेज अ विन विन फॉर एवरीबॉडी who gets involved. So these are relations which we cherish a lot, and honestly we are proud that last 10-11 years that I've been there, or resort has been around for 16 years, we've cherished such relations with our guests, and we are what we are is because of them. Okay, they make us what we are today, and they trust us, which is a very big thing for me. And we try as a resort, as a property, not to look at it only from business perspective, but also maintain a relation in the long run, where we make money, but of course that's why we do business. But also at times we become a part of a beautiful memory of a lifetime with such people. Yeah. You know, whatever happens, people will never forget that you got married at so and so place. Okay, so you people get connected. That's an emotional attachment for us also. Feels good when I go somewhere and they introduce के सर ये इनका resort था वहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो it is a honor in fact. कई बार दोस्तों के ग्रुप में खड़े रहते हैं and they tell me सर ये resort के owner हैं, इनके यहाँ पे मेरी शादी हुई थी. So that connects, and there are people who've connected with us. Not only for their weddings, post the wedding, both Bharai, son's first birthday, then the 5th birthday. So we've had people with us for a long time, and I think that's where I believe is our true earnings with these people around. So that's all from me for today. Thank you. Any questions?
So I think I've visited the bamboo area.
Bamboo house area.
Bamboo house area. Yeah. So
I have
it is done amazingly. Job is done amazing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. We tried actually to use the area. Reason कई बार weddings होते थे and you have 100 people का group, but for that 100 people we had to sometimes take the buffet outside.
Yeah.
Right now what's happening is because we have that area extended, 100 लोग आराम से वहाँ बैठ सकते हैं.
आराम से.
ठीक है, so that's become an add-on venue for me.
And now you can see the proper view of river. बहुत अच्छे से आपको दिखेगा तो
100% 100% दिखाई देता है. The good part is it doesn't dry up touch wood till now. तो वही बहुत बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट. But thanks, आप आते रहते हैं, अच्छा लगता है. So people tell me क्या जब BNI members आते हैं ना, हमको लगता है आप BNI में तो हमारे यहाँ पे आपके members आते रहते हैं तो अच्छा लग रहा है. आप एटलीस्ट वहाँ टाइम देते हो, एटलीस्ट members आते हैं तो अच्छा लगता है. And in a way, I'll tell you honestly, it gives me a feedback also how things are happening there, because right now, as I said, I'm not 100% there at the operations part. It's only the marketing and wedding bookings. My clients who are there, I take meet them and everything. So I get a good feedback also. Like yesterday, the client was there, as I said, day before yesterday for dinner. Immediate feedback. Okay, so it's good in a way. We keep in touch with them. Not everybody, but as much as we can, definitely. And the budget is not a constraint, just to be very honest. I think one of the only properties where we have this thing of we understand the guest budget and we try and customize things as per that. तो आज मुझे अगर गेस्ट बोलता है मुझे सिर्फ 25,000 खर्चा करना है किसी चीज़ पे, आई गिव देम एन ऑप्शन कि मैं आपको 15,000 का स्टेज दे दूंगा, आई चार्ज यू 7,000 और 6,500 फॉर द डीजे, ठीक है, एंड जो छोटा मोटा एक एलिमेंट ऐड करना है कर लो, आप 25,000 में करो, मेरे को प्रॉब्लम है. एज फार एज आई हैव द वेन्यू अवेलेबल, हेंस द बैम्बू हाउस थिंग हैपेंड वेयर वी डोंट से नो टू अ गेस्ट. मतलब आपको ज़्यादा तामझाम नहीं करना है, वी हैव एन ऑप्शन फॉर यू, ठीक है. बट यू एक्सपेक्ट कि नहीं वो रिसेप्शन वाला स्टेज 25,000 में चाहिए तो दैट वोंट बी पॉसिबल, बट बिकॉज देयर हैज अ सर्टेन प्राइस पॉइंट. We did a booking about I think 15 days back. Guest is doing an engagement function. Very regular Marwadi client, Mr. Agarwal. और उन्होंने बोला सर मेरे को engagement किसी का है, आपके पहचान के भी हैं, तो आप क्या करके देंगे. तो I quoted him because he wanted the main stage. मैंने reception का जो पैकेज है वो कोट किया. बोलते हैं अरे engagement पे कोई इतना स्पेंड करेगा. I said I have an option. आपका बजट बताइए, I give you an alternate option for that. तो बोले नहीं करना तो मेन स्टेज पे ही है. मैं बोला सर देखो वो स्टेज रिसेप्शन के लिए बना है, अब आप उस पर एंगेजमेंट करो, बर्थडे पार्टी करो या कुछ भी करो, मुझे तामझाम तो पूरा वही देना है, ठीक है. तो मैं अपने तामझाम में तो कुछ कम नहीं कर रहा, तो मैं प्राइसिंग भी वही कोट करूंगा. ही अंडरस्टूड, ठीक है. ही कन्वेड इट टू द अदर गेस्ट. वो बोला यार देखो वो स्टेज चाहिए तो उसका अपना पे करना पड़ेगा. सो पॉइंट अगेन बीइंग आई हैव अ 25,000 का थिंग आल्सो. आई कैन डू डेकोर इन 50,000 आल्सो, 1 lakh आल्सो. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट द क्लाइंट इज ओके विद, ठीक है. सो एंड वी ट्राई आवर बेस्ट एज मच एज पॉसिबल. आई थिंक अगेन वन ऑफ आवर्स इज द ओनली प्रॉपर्टी अराउंड. I'm pretty sure that at least on our street where we are, where we give them everything in writing, everything in black and white. Okay, not many properties take that effort of putting things in black and white. Okay, I've seen Jawar, they do. I've personally attended couple of meetings, so काफी अच्छे से मैं जो GM है वहाँ पे वो write down करते हैं. But at Kalyan Murbad Road, सर रिसेप्शन सेटअप है, they take a amount, आप टोकन दे दो, इतना टोकन है, इसमें आपको ये रिसेप्शन का सेटअप मिलेगा, कितनी चेयर्स लगेंगी, कितना राउंड टेबल्स लगेगा, ब्राइड ग्रूम का एंट्री क्या है, कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस क्या लगेंगे, नथिंग इज डिस्कस्ड. वी इवन गो टू देयर एक्सटेंड ऑफ इवन चेकिंग विद द क्लाइंट, सर आपको कलर थीम क्या चाहिए. सो यू वांट लाइक व्हाइट चेयर कवर विद अ पिंक टाई, तो वी इवन टेक केयर ऑफ दैट. मैं मतलब वो भी मेंशन करता हूँ कि व्हाइट एंड पिंक कॉम्बिनेशन चाहिए. सो यू गेट इट्स योर स्पेशल डे, ठीक है. तो मैं आपको कलर चाहिए पिंक, मैं लगा हूँ पर्पल, तो इट फील्स ऑड, मतलब हर एक का पसंद है, ठीक है. तो वी ट्राई एज मच एज पॉसिबल. आई हैड गेस्ट हु सेड कि सर एक चेयर पे रानी दो, एक पे पर्पल दो, एक पे रानी, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, आपको जो अच्छा लग रहा है वी डू इट फॉर यू, ठीक है. सो वी एक्चुअली टेकन दैट एफर्ट. डेकोर गाय हैज एक्चुअली गॉन आउट ऑफ द वे, गॉट अ टाई डन, न्यू टाई डन, जस्ट बिकॉज अ क्लाइंट वांटेड इट. मतलब वो आगे कितनी बार यूज होगा हमको नहीं पता था, बट जस्ट बिकॉज इट वाज अ क्लाइंट रिक्वायरमेंट, नहीं उनको करके चाहिए था, we got it done. And touch wood, as I said, the feedback has been good. I'll share some pictures in the group today of the events that we've done since November till now, and some really good concepts have come through. हमने एक last concept जैसे add on किया था जहाँ हमने front lawn को पूरा drapes से cover किया था डे टाइम में, and उसके अंदर पूरा एक floral setup दिया था. Client wanted कि नहीं डे टाइम पे हमको पूरा वो वहाँ पे ही करना है, we don't want to do it in the shade area, तो उनको lawn का feel चाहिए था. ऐसे ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, एज फार एज यू आर रेडी टू स्पेंड, बिकॉज वो ड्रेप करने के लिए काफ़ी टाइम और खर्चा ज़्यादा है. they were like we don't mind, we want to do it then, and trust me it was looking phenomenal. मतलब मैं खुद हैरान हो गया कि यार इतना अच्छा तामझाम. it looked like a 3D, जैसा आप शेयर करते हो भावेश भाई, it looked like that 3D के किसने 3D बनाया, but touch wood the client went out happy, they were very very happy. I'll share some client feedbacks also later. That's all.
I think if you can share the link of this video,
I will do some.
it will be easy for us.
I have it on YouTube. I'll share it.
Yeah.
Not an issue.
तो हमको किसी को भी देना है तो डायरेक्ट लिंक भेज दिए
हाँ, sure, I'll
इट सेज
share.
ऑल आई थिंक
Perfect, perfect. I'll will share it with you. Not an issue. Thank you.
सर आपको मैं डायरेक्ट देता हूँ शादी का।
अरे सर नहीं क्या कुछ मेरा